cash at molti questo negozi.
Is a passion and a profession.
My first year doing this, my group back makes $80,000 just as you say, that. And we went down to the next one in line, and we're going that one as well.
I've won a little over $1 million in cash and prizes.
You heard that right, $1 million. You can see evidence all over Red Fortuna's Virginia Beach home.
This is the third.
Oh, it's